Yoga for mental health and mindfulness. And Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel Be Yogi. Today, we are focusing on the topic of yoga for mental health and mindfulness. Mental health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, and yoga is a great way to improve it. In this session, we will practice some simple yoga poses and breathing techniques that can help to calm the mind, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote a sense of inner peace. Segment 1: Understanding the connection between yoga and mental health. Before we start our yoga practice, let's talk about the connection between yoga and mental health. Yoga has been practiced for thousands of years and has been shown to have numerous benefits for both physical and mental well-being. The practice of yoga involves physical postures, controlled breathing, and mindfulness, which work together to bring balance and peace to the body and mind. Segment 2: Warm-up and preparation. Now, let's start with some warm-up exercises to get the body ready for our yoga practice. We'll start with some gentle neck and shoulder rolls, followed by wrist and ankle rotations. These exercises help to loosen up the joints and prepare the body for the yoga poses to come. Segment 3: Yoga poses for mental health and mindfulness. Mountain pose, Tata Asana. Stand tall and straight with your feet hip-width apart. Focus on your breath and feel a sense of grounding and stability in this pose. Child's pose, Bala Asana. This is a gentle, restorative pose that can help to calm the mind and reduce stress. Kneel down on the mat and touch your forehead to the ground while stretching your arms out in front of you. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. This pose can help to increase focus and concentration, while also strengthening the legs and hips. Stand in mountain pose, then step your left foot forward and turn your left foot out to the side. Bend your left knee and reach your arms out to the sides, one in front and one behind you. Tree pose, Vrksasana. This balancing pose can help to improve focus and concentration, while also strengthening the legs and hips. Stand in mountain pose and shift your weight onto your left foot. Place the sole of your right foot on your left thigh and bring your hands to prayer at your heart center. Corpse pose, Savasana. This is the final pose of the yoga practice and is a time for deep relaxation and mindfulness. Lie down on your back with your arms and legs relaxed, and allow yourself to simply be still and quiet for a few minutes. Segment 4: Breathing techniques for mental health and mindfulness. In addition to yoga poses, breathing techniques are an important part of yoga practice and can have a profound impact on mental health and well-being. Here are a few breathing techniques you can try. Controlled breathing, pranayama. This involves controlling the breath and can help to calm the mind and reduce stress. Alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana. This breathing technique involves alternating the breath between the right and left nostrils, which can help to balance the energy and promote a sense of inner peace. For 7-8 breathing, relaxing breath. This breathing technique involves inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 7 counts, and exhaling for 8 counts, which can help to calm the mind and reduce stress and anxiety. Segment 5: Final thoughts and closing with closing prayer. That concludes today's yoga session. Thank you.